Australia's governments must work together to solve the big issues.
Australian Prime Minister Malcolm Turnbull will make his first official visit to China, starting on Thursday. Since becoming Prime Minister last September in a party leadership coup that ousted Tony Abbott as Conservative leader, his government has been distracted from an economic slowdown at home by issues related to China. Here are 3 things you need to know. Mr. Turnbull will use his visit to warn Beijing over regional unease with his South China Sea territorial claims. Australia wants China to reset relations with its neighbors, strained by construction of an artificial island bulwark. As much as 60% of Australia's seaborne trade and a third of the world's maritime traffic passes through the South China Sea area, most of it bound for China. Mr. Turnbull is also leading the largest trade delegation ever to leave Australia, with 1,000 people. China is Canberra's biggest trade partner, but Mr. Turnbull wants to further boost relations under a free trade pact sealed last year. In 2015, trade between the countries was worth more than $105 million. The FTA smooths investments to Australia for Chinese companies and should boost Australian exports of goods and services to China. Chinese investment in Australia last year soared 33% from the previous year, according to one study. Most of the surge was tied to agriculture and real estate. It was the second largest inflow since 2008, during the peak of a mining boom. Australia is China's second most popular target market for Chinese property investors, according to Zhuwei, a popular international real estate portal in China. But in the second half of 2015, the Australian government began a crackdown on abuse of home ownership laws by foreign buyers. It ordered several residential property owners to sell after they illegally acquired established properties. Mr. Turnbull, a former investment banker before entering politics, is an optimist on China's economic growth, despite challenges facing the Chinese government.